Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to elective mathematics, that is further mathematics. This is WAEC 2025 for private candidate. This is January, February. Let's look at how we can solve this problem. We are asked to solve for x in this problem. This is question 10A from the optional questions. Let's look at how we can solve. We are asked to solve. This is 2 by 2 matrix equals to 2 by 2 matrix, because this is a matrix. This is from matrix and determinant. Let's write down the solution and see what we can do. To find the value of x, we have to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, which is this 2 by 2 matrix now. That will now be leading diagonal, which is this now. We'll multiply this, then minus on leading diagonal, minus this. So it will be 2x. We'll open the bracket, that's square bracket, multiplying 2 into x minus 1. We close the bracket, then minus, we have a square bracket, x minus 2, multiplying x times 3 minus 1. We close the bracket. Then our right hand side will do the same. This is leading diagonal multiplied by minus on leading diagonal. That will be x into x plus 1 minus x into x minus 5. So this will be our into x minus 1. Let me use square bracket. It will be x minus 1 multiplying x minus 5 in bracket like this. So the next thing to do is to clear the bracket. But before we do that, we can write this as 2x into 2 times x is 2x, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Then we have the minus, we expand this. X times 3x, that's 3x squared. X times minus 1 is minus x. Minus 2 times 3x is minus 6x. Minus times minus, that will be plus 2. We close the bracket. On the right hand side, we'll have x times x, that's x squared. X times plus 1, that will be x. Minus, we expand x times x, x squared. X times minus 5, minus 5x. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus times minus is plus, that will be plus 5. Next, we can clear this bracket. 2x times 2x, that will be 4x squared. Minus 2x times 2, that will be 4x. This will now be equals to, let's add this, minus x minus, that will be minus 3x squared. Minus x minus 6x, that will be minus 7x plus 2. Then will be equals to x squared plus x minus x squared minus 5x minus x, that will be minus 6x plus 5. So the next thing is to distribute this minus over this bracket. Okay, we'll have 4x squared now minus 4x minus 3x plus 7x minus 2x will be equals to x squared plus x minus x squared plus 6x minus 5. On the right hand side, x squared minus x squared will be 0. Very important. Okay. On the left, I can say 4x squared minus 3x squared, that will be x squared. Minus 4x plus 7x, that will be plus 3x. Minus 2 will be equals to plus x plus 6x, that will be plus 7x minus 5. So this is quadratic equation. Of course, I can rearrange it. Let me remove this first step so that we can take this up. We have x squared now plus 3x minus 2. Let's transfer this. It will be minus 7x plus 5 will be equals to 0. Because quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, given that a will not be equals to 0. Very important. Okay, let me remove this because we don't need this part. We are solving for x now. Here We can write this as x squared, then we can say plus 3x minus 7x, that will be minus 4x. Very important. Then we can say minus 2 plus 5, that will be plus 3 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Can it be factorizable? Let's check. I hope we are together. Two factors of 3x squared that can give us minus 4. Of course, since the middle term is negative and the last term is positive, the two factors will be minus 3x and minus x. Why? Because we are trying to factorize now. Why? Because minus 3x times minus x will get minus 3x squared. Then minus 3x minus x will get minus 4x. So the two factors are minus 3x and minus x respectively. So let's replace this middle term with these two factors. Very important. So this will be x squared minus 3x minus x plus 3 now will be equals to 0. We can group this and factor out. What is common here is x into x minus 3. What is common here is minus 1 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Very important. What are we saying here? If we check critically, what we have in the bracket are the same. We can pick what we have outside. That will be x minus 1. Then x minus 3 is equals to 0. So either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. X now will be 1 or x is 3. So this is the value of x and we can check. To check, we plug x equals to 1 into the left hand side of the given question and the same as that of the right hand side. Are they the same? Let's check. We say the value of x is 1 or x is 3. Let's see whether it is true. Let me do the checking here. And it's what we call to check. To check now, when x is 1, what are we going to have? When x is 1, let's substitute. This will be 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3 minus, that's 2. 1 minus 2, that's minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, here will be 0. Let's find the determinant of this. Is it going to be the same as that of the right hand side? Leading diagonal, that's 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 times 2, that's minus 2. The answer will be 2. For our left hand side, we have 2. Let's check the right hand side. Let me do the checking here. Let's substitute x as 1 now. Here will be 2. 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. 1 that is 0. Then 1. So let's see. The determinant now, leading diagonal, that's 2. Of course, this is 0. It's true that the left hand side and the right hand side agree when x is 1. Let's check for when x is 3. Okay, let's substitute now. That's 3 times 2, which is 6. This is 3 times 3, 9 minus 1, which is 8. 3 minus 2, that's 1. 3 minus 1, that's 2 times, that's 4. So let's find the determinant. Leading diagonal, that's 6 times 4, which is 24. Minus 1 times 8, which is 8. That's what? That's 16. On the left, we have 16 as the determinant. Let's check that of the right. Let's check the right hand side and see. Let's substitute 3 as x. That will be 4. 4 minus 5, of course, minus 1. 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then we have 3. Let's check. Leading diagonal now will be 12. Minus 2 times minus 1 times 2. What do we have? Let's check again. X is 3. This will be 4. Then this will be minus 2. Here will be minus 2. Very important. Here is supposed to be 2. Then we have, let me remove this. Since we are trying to check, we will have 12 plus 4. That will be 16. The left hand side and the right hand side agree when x is 1 and when x is 3. Truly, the value of x is nothing but 1 or 3. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video. In my next video, I will solve the 10B of this question. This is just 10A. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.